Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to load only first 20 rows of data from Excel sheet into SQL tables in SSIS. So first I will show my Excel sheet. This is my Excel workbook and name is country and sheet name here is country underscore data. So there are two columns ID and country and here 1000 rows are there. So I don't want to load all these 1000 rows. Just I want to load first 20 rows. For that, creating how to load 20 rows by using SSIS package. So I am taking new package. So dragging data flow task into control pane. Double click. So because my sheet contains Excel sheet, I am dragging the Excel source. And here I am taking a new browse. D files test data is there my country workbook. So I am taking this one on OK. So here in data access mode, I am using SQL command instead of tabular view. In SQL command, if you need to write some SQL statement here. Select star from and the sheet name here is country underscore data. So I am taking country data and dollar symbol. And here my condition here is from A1 to B21 is the my condition. So I am mentioning the same condition here A1 B21. So this is data and I'm click OK and within parentheses click OK and I need to take the OLB destination. So here first ID is Poland and 20th one is Morocco. So data will load from Poland first record and 20th record and from Poland to Morocco it will load. So I'm closing this one. So to configure, taking new server name is Edwin and sample is my database. Okay, so I have already one table called country. I'm selecting that. So right now there is no data in the country table, but the schema is same, ID and country name. So here go to mappings, country. Yeah, data is in Unicode format. You need to do some transformation here. I am using data conversion transformation. Data, double click and select two columns. And here I am taking 4 bytes integer. Instead of WT string, I am taking string. WT string means this is varchar. I am taking as a varchar because my country table is compatible to use varchar data type. Country name, that's why I am converting from varchar to varchar. So here, okay. Now I am connecting data conversion to destination. So here double click, configure, go to mappings and select copy ID and copy country name. Click OK. So everything is set. Actually, in Excel source itself, I put a condition that is select star from the sheet name and cell range for 20 records. Afterwards, I am dragging the data conversion and making the compatibility of data types to the OLB destination. Afterwards, just connecting the OLB server and database one and select the country table. Now I am about to run the package. Once again, make sure there is no data in the country table. So if I run the package, from Excel sheet onwards to data connection, only 20 records will load. See here, need 20 records. Stop the package. Go check your table. So it will load only 20 records from Poland to Morocco. This is how you need to load the data required rows from the Excel sheet data into the destination table. The condition you need to mention is sheet name, select star from sheet name, and the range of the cells. That's how you need to load. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.